again. It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, with my turntable not showing the entire, what I'm assuming is a 24 by 24 inch painting. Let's see if that's any better. I'm going to add some colors to this, starting with black, because I can and I want to. And I'm going to use Meeden black mixed with pouring medium. In a somewhat random pattern, and swipe it into place with my OXO omelet turning spatula, and hope I like what I get more than what I had. It's a place to start. I suppose I could use my toothy tool, but that wasn't really part of the plan. I have a bunch of Decor Americana 24 karat gold that I consider fair game. It's been mixed up for a while. I like to change the shape to something more organic, without totally showing through all the colors or the white underneath. I am really curious to see what the toothy tool will do. Maybe I'm going to grab that anyway. We should put some white in though. I really think I'd like to put some white in. Let's try the white. I gotta use a different spatula. There, I dribbled. This is a completely novel idea. Oh, that's my small one. I don't want it. There's my toothy tool. I have enjoyed adding black or white to an artwork I wasn't satisfied with in the past, and I did like what I got. So I'm already not unhappy. I will make gray if I mix them, which I'm tempted to do just because. Now it's time to get busy. Let's do that. Kind of like that. Kind of want to put some gold in now before it gets any later in the game, but the truth is if I put the gold in now, more of the black and the white will dry. Kind of surprised how much I like this actually. Use my residual paint brazenly. I could put some paint in a dish and add some checks, or I could just do this. Gotta line them up though. How do I feel about that? I'm not sure. It's kind of alright. It's a lot different. And I like it. It's dramatic without being as busy as it was, and that's saying something. It's kind of exciting. I still haven't given up the idea of the gold, but I'm not sure it needs it. And I think I'm done. So that was fast. Hit and run. I'm going to tell you guys I have over 2,700 videos. I'm pretty sure it's over 2,700. If it's not, it's pretty close. I know I said I was done, but I lie. I so want to dip my tool in and put some more checks in, but I don't really think that I'm going to make it any better than it is now. I do think this one white spot needs to go, though. Go or be changed. There we go. I guess I wasn't done. Now I want the gold. Well, fortunately, I have some. Let's see if I can break my turntable for a minute. Let's shake it up. That was interesting. Didn't stay broken. Let's see if I can grab a box to break that. Now I'll be really interested to see what happens next. It's not horrible. Use my residuals. See what else we can do. I can always leave lines too. Best if I don't drag the bottle. Kind of like in that. It was pretty outstanding the way it was. I'm not sure it was necessary to do anything, but I am having fun, so. Alright, what have I got? I've got a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Don't like that. So we'll just make it into a whole thing right there, which is a little better for me. There, I do think I'm very close to being done, but I thought that before anyway. Making the shapes a little more organic. I'm not sure why that is necessary in my mind. It's very industrial seeming right now. Soon I have to play with chain. I have a student coming up on the weekend, and it's been a long, long time since I played with chain, and it's time. She wants to do some irises, and I would enjoy that very much so. Alright, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying I don't mind that. I don't like it as much as I liked it before I did it. So maybe I'll just use the color in a different way. And move it into the canvas and simplify things a little bit. I forget I can use my spatula sometimes. Oh no, I'm fickle. I want some of that paint right there. Alright, I thought I might change my mind and put some colors in there, but I think I'm good. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. My turntable's going to keep on spinning. I've got all kinds of things to clean up. Let me take a picture. I don't think there's any point in zooming in on that. But I do like the composition better than I liked it when I started. So you guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. And if you want to contact me, you can use my email address, easpb, and the word gallery spelled out, @gmail.com, in regards to taking a private one-on-one class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or possibly buying artwork. That would be lovely. I have on my link tree underneath Show More, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, my website, my Amazon link. If you shop there, it's know what it costs you, and it helps me out. I may have included a 20% off color art coupon code underneath the video. I am a color art affiliate, and the colors are magnificent. So if that's something that interests you, I would also encourage you to go shopping with a 20% off coupon. My community board will show you tomorrow's video more often than not. And what else can I tell you? If you have questions, feel free to ask. My paint pouring recipes are usually under the video. I'll try and include the Meeden black and the Meeden white, and possibly the Decor America 24 karat gold. I like how the gold turned out more subtle. I'm glad I took it down a notch. All right, you guys take care of each other. I told you that already. I love you much. You inspire the heck out of me. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you are someone who can afford to make a small donation, or any donation at all, or purchase an artwork, my PayPal icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and there is also a thanks application underneath the video, and I appreciate everything that comes my way. So thank you very much for that. I want to say goodbye for now, and catch me 7 days a week, either at 2:15 or 3:15 Eastern Standard Time. Bye for now. Priscilla out.